Psalm 113. Praise ye Yahuwah. Praise, O ye servants of Yahuwah. Praise the name of Yahuwah. Blessed be the name of Yahuwah from this time forth and forevermore. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Yahuwah's name is to be praised. Yahuwah is high above all nations, and his glory above the heavens. Who is like unto Yahuwah our Elohim, who dwelleth on high? Who humbleth himself to behold the things that are in heaven and in the earth? He raiseth up the poor out of the dust, and lifteth the needy out of the dunghill, that he may set him with princes, even with the princes of his people. He maketh the barren woman to keep house, and to be a joyful mother of children. Praise ye Yahuwah.